Good evening. Let's continue with learn Ilocano phrases and let's have more on this video. Let's have short and easy ones. First one, if you want to say enough, enough. Koston, 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 koston. Second one, later. Madamdama, 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 madamdama. In Tagalog, mamaya, mamaya. And I forgot the Tagalog word for the first one. Koston. No, yeah, koston. Tama na. Tama na. And our third one, come here. Come here. Umaykadtoy. 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 Tagalog. Halika dito. Halika dito. Halika dito. Halika dito. Our fourth one, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Kitaek man. In Tagalog. Tingnan ko nga. Tingnan ko nga. Tignan ko nga. Tignan ko nga. Kitaek man. Kitaek man. And last one, if you wanna tell someone, call me. Call me. Tawaganak. 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 In Tagalog, tawagan mo ako. Tawagan mo ako. Call me. Tawaganak. Tawaganak. And that's all for our short Learn Ilocano video. See you again on the next video. On the next video, let's learn on the next video, let's learn how to say I said, he or she said, and they said. Bye!